Okay, we are out in the garden, and our goal today is Donna is going to be entering carrots, beets, and amaranth in the county fair. So we're going to start right from the ground up.
When you enter things in your county fair, you need to make sure that you read all the rules as to what they want. So I know that the carrots, they want a bunch of 5 with their tops. You're going to want to dig up more than just 5 to take your best 5 in.
And which carrots are these now? I can tell, but let everybody know.
These are the purple dragons.
Purple dragons. And these not only are cool looking, but they are tasty.
Okay, so it looks like I've got 2, maybe 3 really good ones there.
See if we can get some nicely matched ones. That'd be good, huh?
Yes. Not so much the size of your carrots, but yes, like that they match. Nice.
Okay, so now we got 2 different kinds of beets. We've got the golden beets and the red beets, correct?
Yes, and they need to be in groups of 3 with their tops trimmed.
Oh, that's a beauty. Yeah.
I could go with those 3. Why don't you go ahead and take these other 3 out over here?
Through the winter snow and the monsoon
There's a tiny one.
Working joy in every day.
That looks like a good size. I like that.
Living good along the way.
Let's go see what we've got going on with our amaranth.
The amaranth. Remember, the amaranth is an ancient grain.
Like the old oak tree, turning soil.
Just fine. Look at that monster.
You think that's one we should enter?
It's beautiful.
Yeah, that looks nice.
It's really something.
Scissors are not going to cut it.
All right, so what amaranth is this now?
This is Love Lies Bleeding.
Love Lies Bleeding. Okay, look at this thing.
Oh, well, that's not a very big tray for you, is it?
No, I was wondering why you grabbed that little tiny thing for your amaranth. Let me
Should
get
have grabbed the other one. All right, let's
Okay,
find one of these.
I was looking at this
Yeah, this is the one I was looking at too.
right there.
I don't know if I want to clean up the stuff on the sides or leave it like that. Haven't decided yet.
All right, you want me to get the bigger tray before you pick that up so it doesn't...
Okay.
Yeah. I was just looking at the names that you've got on your list.
Oh.
Heading to the fair.
On the land where the wild grass grows, God bless the hands that reap and sow.
Exhibit Center for Check-in Agriculture and Floriculture. Enter through the gate.
Building a life that just makes sense. Chickens rise in the morning light. Eggs in a basket feels just right. Every sunrise paints the skies, praising the Lord with thankful eyes. Our 2-acre world winter snow and the
Oh,
monsoon rains.
it's my grandson's favorite.
Work enjoying every day, living